How to fix laptop audio or sound not working. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I will guide you to fix laptop sound or audio not working. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's begin. First, click on Windows search icon at bottom left. Now type in Control Panel and under the best result or match you will get Control Panel. Click Open at right side. You can easily expand this window. Now go ahead and choose Sound. Click to open it. Now the sound window will appear. So if you have multiple audio devices connected to your PC, select the device you want to troubleshoot. Right click on your selected audio device and now you need to choose Disable. Then right click again and then select Enable. After enabling the audio device, you simply need to click on Properties. In order to do that, you need to again right click on this particular speaker or device and select Properties. Now the speaker's properties window will appear. In the Labels tab, you can ensure that the volume icon look like this, the icon of a speaker with no X. Next, you can easily go to Enhancements section and check box label Disable all enhancement. If that option is available, you can easily do that. If not, don't worry. And then you need to click on the Apply button and then OK. Then you need to close the all windows one by one. And with that, your issues of sound or audio on your laptop will be fixed. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.